So I'm going to do the most terrifying topic of one of the most terrifying topic, which is not so easy to like decipher. So I have taken this paragraph, and this explains the shoaling effect, which we witness before tsunami or during a tsunami, whatever or however you may call it. I'll read it line by line, and then I will try to put it in the words that form best for me. So, gravity acts to return the sea surface to original shape. The ripples then race downward, and a tsunami is caused. So, what did it say? Gravity acts to return the sea surface to original shape. But to which original shape? So, if there are waves which are going up like this, gravity will want it to come back to the plate, which is why the force with which it want to come down will be even stronger after a point. So that is why the force that's so strong is causing it to happen like this. Now, as tsunami leaves deep waters, it propagates into shallow waters, it transforms. This is because as the depth of the water decreases, the speed of the tsunami reduces, but the change in total tsunami remains constant. With the decrease in speed, the height of the tsunami wave grows. A tsunami which was imperceptible in a deep water may grow to many meters high, and this is called the shoaling effect. So, what just happened? So, essentially, what they're trying to say is initially in deep water, when there was a tsunami, there were two characteristic features of the tsunami in the deep water. When it was deep in the water, that was high speed, and another was low amplitude. Right, these were the two features. It was very high speed, as much as 800 kilometer per hour, and the height was very low because it was deep. If this was the big ocean, it was very deep inside the water. Thus, whatever the tsunami is happening, it's happening. Now, what changed is in shallow water, what happened is there were two characteristic features that develop. That is, the speed of wave decreased, but the height or the amplitude of wave increased. What do you mean by that? Initially, there was by shallow water, here we mean that the water which is like near to the shore. So at this point, if the wave is here, the speed of the wave will definitely increase, but the height increases. So what happened was initially high speed, right, plus low amplitude. What happened, there's a rule of energy that the force of energy remains constant. It cannot be created nor be destroyed. So energy constant. Thus, when these two things change when it comes to narrow shore. So in deep water, high speed, low amplitude, shallow water, low speed, high amplitude. what happened? Things balanced out each other. Now with this, what results is that when this is happening and I'm standing right here at the shore, the entire activity of the tsunami in the deep water is happening inside. It's happening at a very high speed, but it's happening inside, which is why I'll never be able to see it. Right? But suddenly, when it has reached the shore, the speed has reduced, but the height has increased, leading to sudden waves coming like this, which result in tsunami. So this is the shoaling effect. That is, a tsunami which was imperceptible in deep water may grow into many meters height, and this is what is called the shoaling effect. Since sometimes the sea seems to be at first draw a breath, but then this withdrawal is followed by the arrival of a crest of tsunami. That is, you cannot see it initially, but this, and the water also withdraws backwards. But then the sudden withdrawal leads to the arrival of the crest of tsunami, and in several cases, several great waves separated by intervals or minutes or even sometimes half an hour result in this extraordinary recession of water from the shore, which may commence in several minutes and even half an hour, and thus resulting in tsunami. So, initially low speed, high amplitude. Sorry. Wait. I said the opposite thing. Wait. Initially, high speed, low amplitude. This is a deep water condition. Then in shallow water, it was low speed, high amplitude, due to which I could not see or witness what is coming. This is sudden, hence this effect in itself of the is caused by energy trying to remain constant, and this effect results in the shoaling effect, which is why I can never witness what is happening. Yes. Thank you for watching.